Menteri Ketenat Revenue and Disaster Management Khubborjylla ula pentip Iing dorbar bakidan Haduh arpu Tylli Shillong Iing kiba Ktah nak Jingshlei Dadenggre CNR Block House 6 Hajar arpu saw. Haba jubab halor kani gajingkli bawan ra du MLA ga Dadenggre rupa marak Menteri ulaya thoru bahalor kani nak sorkar kilapan poye kilat jingarap syakitu kiba Ktah. Menteri rangba haba benrap lang ula pentip ru baka sorkar kala shim yaki senjam naka benta bante lakam yaka Jingshlei
So now we move on to next question. Question number 75 brought by Sri Rupa Marak. Sri Khuborjylla, Minister in charge, to reply please.
Mr. Speaker, sir. Answer to start question number 75. A, yes, sir. B, 1, sir. The total number of household affected is 28. The names of the household affected by flash flood is as per statement placed in the table of the house. 2, sir. The quantity of immediate relief materials provided to the affected per household is as per statement placed in the table of the house.
Your supplementary, please, Mr. Rupa Marak.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. May I know from the Minister in charge whether any livestock were also affected and lost, whether people were also displaced due to the flash flood happened in 2024.
Livestock, I have to check, sir. I have many notes here. Since the questioner have asked specific, so I have take it. But let me just have a look. Give me a second, sir. Where's Cow Hills? In this flood, sir, we don't have a report of crops, sir. So, no, sir. It's no, sir.
It has come to my knowledge that livestock were also lost during the flood. So, it was my question was very much related to the principal question. I asked about the flood affected households. So those households may have the livestock also, and I also put another question. Another question was also there, whether people were displaced or not.
Sir, livestock, as I've said, we don't have the information because as per the DC report, we have not received anything when it comes to livestock. So that's why I answered. My answer is no, sir.
Mr. Speaker, sir, it shows that the department has not done a proper assessment of the damage of the flood. I'll go to another supplementary questions. Whether any financial assistance has been provided to the affected families or not?
It's provided in kind, sir, not in cash.
So may I know from the Minister in charge, what is the exact amount provided to the affected households as financial assistance?
Sir, I have mentioned we have not provided financial assistance, but we have provided in kind, and the details has been laid in table of the house, sir. The materials all in kinds.
I thank the Minister in charge. I would also like to know whether government is taking any measures to minimize the effect of the flood in future in those areas.
Yes, sir. Actually, the government is on a pipeline. Now we'll come out with an online reporting system. This will be benefited to all the affected person or the district. It'll speed up all the matters, sir. So in a matters of few days, maybe a month, sir, we'll come out with an online reporting system.
Sir, I'll just supplement also to the answer given by the Honorable Minister, because it is about controlling flood, specifically, which is beyond the scope of the revenue and disaster management, in the sense that it is more related with water resources, with forest and environment, soil conservation. So, sir, in a nutshell, just to answer to the concerns of the honorable member, that multiple steps are being taken. Wherever we are able to have interventions, whether it is through the water resource department or the soil conservation department or the forest department, different measures have been taken at different areas. Of course, these are not 100% foolproof, because weather in these days is quite unpredictable. But large number of efforts are being made. And more importantly, so we are also working on weather forecasting mechanism combined with the new technologies and satellite imagery and other aspects from the new technologies that are available, based on which we are also trying to ensure that we are able to predict in advance any kind of major flash floods or cloudburst that possibly could be there, with a caveat that it's not always 100% that we'll be able to do that. But with advancing technology, we are in a position now to at least have some kind of weather warnings in most of the situations that we face. So yes, sir, steps are being taken to mitigate the entire impact of the floods and the heavy rains that we receive in the state of Meghalaya.